Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to use add-ons in Google Sheets. So open the spreadsheet, and Google Sheets add-ons are third-party extensions that provide additional functionality and features to enhance your spreadsheet experience. So to use add-ons in Google Sheets, follow the step. For example, I'm going to use the ChatGPT on the Google spreadsheet. So you can select extensions and then you can select add-ons. Select get add-ons. For example, you can search for the apps, or after it appears, you can select the app and just install it. Just click install. Alright, after you install the apps, you are just going to use the apps on the Google spreadsheet. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.